Hi. So I'm gonna be going over the study cycle evaluation. So the first question is, what do you do before class in order to prepare for the lecture? So for Math 112, I usually go to SALT Center and get tutoring sessions. So I usually go over what I learned in class, like this session before, and then I go over my homework, and then I also just skim over the first couple pages of the workbook with the SALT tutors, so then I can kind of get an idea of what the next class is going to be about, and so I can be prepared, because sometimes when I'm in class, I don't fully understand when it's just said to me once. So when I talk it over with a SALT tutor and just get a little idea, I'll have sort of an idea when we start doing it in class. Do you regularly attend each class session in its entirety? Yes, because we're always doing math problems until the last minute. So I want to be there so I understand everything, and also get it in my workbook so I can look back at it. How do you participate during the class sessions? So we have these pods that we sit at, groups of 4. So after a little bit, once we learn the concepts, we'll do example problems. So then we talk over with each other and share our ideas. How do you review course content after the class sessions? I have tutors, and then I also go over it on my own, just redoing the problems that we did in class, and then also doing new ones. How would you define studying? I would say it's reviewing each problem by doing sample problems, and then also reviewing the homeworks and doing the study guide a lot of times, and also teaching it, acting like you're a teacher and teaching it, because that helps to memorize it. What does studying look like for this course? What are the specific action strategies, tactics that you use to study for this course? So I do the study guide about 3 times, and I have a lot of tutoring sessions, just so I get everything down, and I get it in my head. And then also I like to do the tutoring sessions with different tutors, so then I can think back and remember what I learned with each tutor. And then I also learned at SALT the 8-day study plan. So 8 days before the exam, I start studying, and basically I separate what I am trying to study into 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3. So the first day, because studies show that the first 20 minutes and the last 20 minutes are what you memorize most, so the middle section you won't know as well, so you have to mix it up. So the first day I would do 1, 2, 3. The second day I would do 3, 1, 2, and the next day I would do 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then I would just keep switching off. So I do that, and then I also do the study guide a lot. Yeah. How do you know if your study habits are effective for this course? I mean, if I get a good grade, and if I understand the material before the test, I most likely know that it's working. If the day before a test I don't understand, it's probably my study tactics haven't been great. And then how do you know if you're truly understanding the material? I would just say if I could teach it to someone else, just acting like a teacher. So yeah.